1,300 meters is the distance. And the race is on. Yellow Goose Ka. From the outside is Fierce and Fiery. Yellow Goose Ka, Fierce and Fiery. 10 Silly Strength, the favorites, running third by some 2 lengths alongside is Big Pocket. Tucker's Diamond racing fifth by Darrell Rushing up Midnight Meet Boss General. Sir Ferdinand third, last number 1 Beyond Good. And entry number 3. Ace Conveyance is running at the tail of the field. Fierce and Fiery, Yellow Goose Ka. Then here comes 10 Silly Strand. Is on the outside. And rounding the far turn, Fierce and Fiery by a length and up. 10 Silly Strand is on the outside. Yellow Goose Ka is racing third and running in fourth by some foreign Tucker's Diamond, Big Packet. As they race towards the last 450, the favorite 10 Silly Strands now the leader. Fierce and Fiery, Yellow Goose Ka, then on the inside, Tucker's Diamond, Big Packet, Midnight Meet, Sir Ferdinand, Beyond Good, Boss General, Ace Conveyance, and ring the last 100 meters more to run. 10 Silly Strand racing away by some 5, and finally 10 Silly Strand, Midnight Meet, Yellow Goose Ka, then come Fierce and Fiery, and close Sir Ferdinand, Boss General, Big Packet, and Tucker's